knew and trusted. I hired my friends and I hired family. And what that does when you hire friends and family, you believe it. You don't see them objectively. There were people that I knew they were great, they love you, they're smart. Gee, they haven't got any experience, but God, they're smart and they're nice. I'm just going to hire you, you're going to become good at the job. That didn't happen. And when things started going off track, it's enormously difficult to extricate yourself from that relationship. And ultimately, it didn't work out for me. I might say hello to those people on the street now. These are friends for 10, 20 years, people I trusted really, really a lot. It damaged our friendship enormously. So as you think about companies you might start, be enormously wary about hiring people who are friends and family, because you're not objective. If you like me, you won't be objective.